I am Stefano.
And I'm Sasha, and we are traveling in our self-converted shuttle bus. In today's shuttle bus build video, we are going to show you how we replaced our old vinyl flooring in our shuttle bus with this beautiful brand new laminate flooring. This is a super budget friendly project. It cost us less than $150 and it took us only one day to do. If you do like and enjoy our videos, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future videos. Hello, today we are redoing our shuttle bus flooring. The old bus flooring was a little bit thin, which we did say in our bus regret video, so we have upgraded. This is the old one, too thin.
Yeah. And
the new one, we really like the color as well. It's a little bit lighter and a little bit cooler, and it's more than twice as thick.
Yeah.
So
and this is 3mm. This is 7mm. So yeah, it should help with the bowing problem, and we're gonna put some underlayment floor, so to prevent more bowing as well.
The problem with the old floor was it was just bowing a lot.
Yeah, it was really thin.
So what we did first was pick up the old floor, and then we scraped off the big pieces of glue as much as we could with a paint scraper and chuck that in the bin, and now we're going to lay our underlayment, and then we're going to pop this new floor on.
Yeah, exciting times.
When we did the floor the first time, we used Loctite glue, which I think we were recommended, but we don't think it worked that well. So this time we are using heavy duty liquid nails, and hoping that this stays bonded a little bit better, and we're done. Okay, day one of the floor. We did not get far because we got really confused with this part. So this is one long piece, and we have to cut out this bench seat and this bench seat, but they're both at an angle and they're different sizes. So that is what Stefano is doing now. We hate this job. It's one of our least favorite jobs of the build.
Took off the whole floor, which was super thin. We didn't really like this one, it was like too thin. And we put this, which is 7mm, double of the size. And the concept is pretty easy. So you start from this side, you
left side.
You always start from the left side, and move. And you basically start with the first one here, and then you just go and click. So this is kind of click and push. So you click them and make sure they go flat down in place, and then you hammer like to enter in this other like lip as well. For this one, you're gonna have to cut this angle here. So what we're gonna do is put it in place, take a measurement, and cut the angle. And then it's pretty easy if you do all the floor before furniture. If you do furniture, you have to, like example over there, you need to make corners, and it gets a little bit tricky to put in place with the other one. Yeah, the concept is pretty much this one. It's not super hard, you just need a little bit of patience.
It would be easier if any of our furniture was straight lines.
Yes. cut this, there is 3 ways to do it. You can cut it with a jigsaw, which is probably the least recommended because like you're not gonna go like straight for sure.
And it could chip it.
Yeah, you can chip it. There is a table saw which we're using. It's like a small cabinet table saw. You just take a line and you just cut it straight, or you could use the circular saw, but yeah, the same as the jigsaw. It's not like really recommended. This one it would be easier to cut also with a like knife. You could cut it with like construction, what's called?
A X-Acto knife?
Yeah, that one. But this is quite thick, so it's not definitely possible.
How's it look? Is it perfect? It's not?
It's gonna be like 605 times.
Why?
So you're gonna need to cut short here, and short over here, because it needs to go out to go in.
Okay.
Alright guys, this is the final result of our floor. We also installed this aluminum lip that prevent the floor from shifting and also save the floor on the edges. We had one for each stair, and we also installed another one near the driver's seat. We decided to go with a light floor so it blends in with the butcher block and the cabinet doors, and also keep the space brighter. We are pretty stoked with this floor, and yeah, definitely makes a difference comparing the previous one, and also is more resistant. It's thicker, and yeah, we just love it.